He- Hello, everyone. Today we will be continuing with Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet, but we will be adding calculations. We'll be using this exercise as an example. So let's get right to it. Question 4, open the spreadsheet you created in question 3 and make the changes indicated below. You open the question 3. 4.1, change question 3 to question 4. Change question 3 to question 4. 4.2, change the font of the main heading, Experienced Coaches to Arial Black, size 16. Experienced, and on top Coaches to Arial Black, go to font, and then choose Arial Black and size 16. And size 16. 4.3, merge and right align the main heading across column A3 to C3. Merge and right align, highlight A3 to C3, and then merge across and right align. Merge across and right align. 4.4, center all column headings and change to bold. Center all column headings. Center all column headings and change to bold. 4.5, insert the figures in column C as indicated. As indicated where? Below here. They indicated, they say you must insert this as indicated here. Insert these figures as indicated here. I have already inserted those figures because of time. I have inserted those figures. 4.6, insert a new row and key in the information for La Liga in bold as indicated. Insert a new row and key in the information for La Liga. Insert a new row in row 11. Insert a new row in row 11. Row 11, right click and then insert a new row, La Liga 0.5 and 12. 0.5, 0.45 and 12. 0.45 and 12. 4.7, delete the entire row containing information about Russia. Delete the entire row, this row containing information about Russia. Right click on Russia and then delete the entire row. Delete the entire row, not the column, but the row. Delete the entire row. Okay. Delete. 4.8, insert the new text at the bottom of the spreadsheet as indicated. Which new text are they talking about? This new text, insert total years of experience, average years, and so on and so forth. Insert that one. I have already inserted it because of time. So let's move on. 4.9, insert the formula where the corresponding letters of the alphabet appears to do the following calculations. A, total years of experience is equal to sum of years of experience per coach. Sum of years of experience per coach. Total years of experience. Whenever we start calculating in Excel, we start with the equal sign. Equal sign, we want the sum. We want the sum of years of experience. The sum of the years of experience, which means we will write SUM and then open brackets. Want the sum of this one, which means we will highlight the whole thing and then close brackets, and I will repeat this one. It's equal sign, and then we want the sum of this. We will type SUM, sum, and then open brackets, highlight the whole thing, then close brackets, and it will give you the answer. Moving on to B. Average years of experience is equal to total years of experience divided by 7. Total years of experience divided by 7 is equal sign, open brackets, total years of experience is 85. We are calculating the numbers, not the weights. Total years of experience divided by 7, and then close brackets, and it will give you the answer. Let me repeat this one. Equal sign, open brackets, total number of experience divided by 7, then close brackets, and moving on to total estimated earnings. Total estimated earnings is equal to sum of estimated earnings per month in mil. The sum of estimated earnings per month in millions. This is the estimated earnings per month. Equal sign, the sum of this. Highlight everything, then close brackets, and I will repeat this one. It's equal sign, SUM, of which is sum, open brackets, the sum of the estimated earnings per month in millions. You highlight the whole numbers, close brackets, enter. There you go. This is the total estimated earnings. Difference in earnings. Difference in earnings is equal to estimated earnings for Brazil minus estimated earnings for Real Madrid. Estimated earnings for Brazil minus estimated earnings for Real Madrid. Equal sign, open brackets, estimated earnings for Brazil minus estimated earnings for Real Madrid, and close brackets, and I will repeat this one again. Equal sign, open brackets, estimated earnings for Brazil minus estimated earnings for Real Madrid, then close brackets, and moving on to the next instruction. Display the amounts calculated for formula B, C, and D as 2 decimals. 2 decimals for formula B, C, D. Highlight formula B, C, D, and then 2 decimals, 2 decimals. Decrease decimals, increase decimals. Decrease decimals, increase decimals. Increase decimals, decrease decimals. 2 decimal places. Adjust the column width where necessary to ensure that all information is clearly visible and can be read. Adjust the column width are already adjusted. Adjust. 4.12, insert horizontal and vertical lines as indicated below. Vertical lines, and horizontal lines as indicated here. The easiest way to do that is choosing borders and choose draw border. This is the easiest one for me. Draw border, and then I'm drawing my borders. Drawing my borders. Drawing my borders. Drawing my borders. Drawing my borders, and then draw one over here. And then 4.13, save the document as question 4 according to your college examination regulation, and then print the spreadsheet without row and columns and column headings on one page A4 portrait, and place the printout into your examination folder. Save and print. File, choose save as, and then save as question 4. And then if you want to print, go to print, and then see print preview is a portrait, and there's one page, and then you print. I hope you enjoyed and understand this lesson. Thank you.